Becoming a first-time mom is one of the most exciting, but also challenging journey. From feeding and changing to soothing and sleeping, there's a lot to learn and you may find yourself overwhelmed. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks to help make your transition into motherhood a little smoother. 1. Take care of yourself. First and foremost, it's important to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Having a new baby can be demanding, so make sure to take time for self-care such as showering, taking naps, or even just sitting down for a few minutes to relax. Also, don't forget to nourish yourself with healthy food and staying hydrated. 2. Build a support system. Building a support system is also key. This can include your partner, friends, family, or a support group for new mothers. You can also reach out to a lactation consultant, pediatrician, or postpartum doula for help and guidance. Don't hesitate to ask for help, especially during the first few weeks. 3. Follow your baby's lead. Don't worry too much about creating a strict routine for your baby, especially in the first few weeks. Instead, try to follow your baby's lead and respond to their cues. Every baby is different and you will find out what works best for you and your baby as you both learn to communicate with one another. 4. Be prepared for a lot of baby gear. From diapers to baby clothes to strollers, it can be overwhelming to keep track of everything. However, don't feel like you need to have everything on the market for your baby. Start with the basics, and as you learn more about your baby's needs, you'll know what gear you truly need. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Finally, remember that you are not alone in this. Many moms have been in your shoes and have managed to navigate this new chapter of life. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help, advice, or even just a listening ear. Trust your instincts, you'll be surprised at how much you already know about being a mom. Being a first-time mom is an amazing and challenging journey, but with a little support, self-care and patience, you'll be on your way to becoming a great mom. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips and advice.